entire kit to mirrorless, which I've done. It's amazing, I love it. I then decided that I was going to pre-order an R5 Mark II. So today is Friday the 23rd of August 2024, and lo and behold, look what's just come through the door. So this is a completely unbiased, fair opinion. I've not opened this yet, so I'll be as surprised as you maybe are. I'm not sponsored, I'm not a Canon Explorer of Lights, I'm not a special Wex person, I'm just a normal freelance photographer based here in the UK, and I just thought it'd be fun just to do this. So let's see what we got. Okay, right, cute little R5 branded neck strap, but that won't get used because I use PDQ ones. Oh, a book, children. Okay, so what do we have here? Normal charger, I guess it's the same as the older ones, I don't know. The LPE6P, the new battery that there's been lots of talk about. I don't know if that's true or not, I'll find out. Plug for the charger. What's this? Oh, USB to USB-C, Canon branded, so it definitely can deliver power. I'm forever picking up USB-C cables that won't deliver power, so that's quite handy. What's this? Oh, it's a cable tie. I guess that screws into the side of the camera. That's quite good. I like that. What's this thing? Ah, look, it's a European plug. Thank you, Canon. That'll be useful for when I have to travel for work. Right, here we go. Let's have a look. Let's get rid of this. Okay, here it is in all its glory. That is massive compared. Here's my R5. Look at the difference. Look at the size. This one is gigantic. Slightly different material as well. It feels sort of scratchy almost. I wonder, do you reckon it's charged? No. Okay, I'm going to go and charge this and come back. Right, now it's charged. Let's see. Okay. I just wanted to very quickly, because I've seen other people talk about or not know what this is. Now this fits here like this. Like that, so that you can then run cables, says he, and they can be held in place. So countless times I've had a cable when I used to have 5Ds I used to ruin the ports forever, but this stops it. Normally on my cages I have a little thing that attaches here that does exactly the same thing. However, the people at Small Rig say they've got one in development for the Mark II, because if we look here, the profile at the front, this part here, is bigger. So my old cages won't fit. So at the moment, my Mark IIs are going to have to be naked. So that's what that is. I think that's quite a neat thing, especially if you're running cables all the time. Right, so tomorrow, Saturday, I'll be using this for football, and then on Monday I have a PR job which I will use it for as well. And what I plan to do is to use them, set them up, and come back and let you know what I think. So I will see you after the weekend. Oh, meant to say, I'm rather hoping that it's good, because I got two. Right, I wasn't going to do this, but I've been up what seems like half the night just trying to set these cameras up. There's so much, it'll be weeks before I'm fully au fait with it, I'm sure. However, one big thing that everybody seems to be talking about is the batteries. So if, like me, you have hundreds of these, because the battery life's rubbish, let's face it. So the first thing I did was to grab one of my, this is an LP E6 Plus, okay, so should be quite good. It doesn't even power it on at all, nothing. I thought I could take stills using the older batteries. Absolutely diddly squat, does not work. So I do know though that I have some other Canon batteries where it will power on and I can take pictures like that, but over half of the video functions are just can't do it, and it gives you a great big error on the back of the camera. Okay, so I'm now off to Ramsgate, and then Monday to Eastbourne for a PR job. Catch you later.